Man, it's like a river. It was getting too hard to work this yard, so look, it's filling up this. Look at the water, man. Trying to get the water out of our way. You know what's nice about running water in your trench? At least you know that you got your slope right. Look at that. It's just rippling over the bottom. Perfect. It's nice flat bottom. Just love it. So that's filling up. We're gonna end up having to run that thing before we get everything plumbed as far as the discharge line. Well, that helps getting rid of a lot of this water. That's for sure.